Okay, these are your condensing units, 3 of them. We're on the south side of the garage. I got still images of all the data plates. None of them are level. None of them are level. Disconnect boxes are not supposed to be located behind them. They're supposed to be sealed on 3 sides. Dead front cover plates missing from this disconnect. And that explains the way I found it. I got it back right. It was ajar when I got here. Again, not level, not level. Not supposed to be behind it. Got the dead front cover plates on these 2. I got still images of what it looks like under there. There's an RV plug. I haven't looked at that one yet. The middle west condensing unit does not sit on its pad properly. While we're here, if a retaining wall is twice the distance of its height from a house, then in theory, it should not affect the foundation and is beyond the scope of this inspection. We got some stair-step cracks in this one right here, and this one's far enough away. This one's far enough away. Coming along on the swimming pool retaining wall. And that's a fire pit. It's not gas. A little bit of cracking over here between the fire pit and the spa. Now we're on the west side of the structure, west side of the house. We've got our gardening going, got our septic system here. We're missing our dead front cover plate on this one. It's not level, and it doesn't fit on its pad either, so we're running the 2 down. Now I'm going to stop here just for a moment. This insulation no longer, since 2015, it no longer meets energy code requirements. It's brittle, it breaks. That's on all 4 units. This one's unique is that the electric conduit's loose. And then these little caps right there, little caps right there, it's called Schrader valve caps. Look that up in the dictionary. You won't find it. The refrigerant service ports, valve ports, caps should be anti-theft caps, not that. And all 4 units run on the 410A refrigerant. So we got 4 different years, so I kind of like to broadcast that. But for example, this one is manufactured in 2011. The Linux is, I have to figure that out. So it'll be on the report. It'll be on the report. Well, this is interesting. That's why you're not running, isn't it? This is not a heat pump on the far west. Let's see what else we found out. Chimney's a little worse for wear. There's actually a little bit of separation right there, and more stair-step cracks. And the reason why this is interesting is that heat pumps, these steps are not dimensionally uniform. Let's see if I can get up here without tripping. I don't have to climb over the gate's not supposed to open into the pool area. Should have a landing outside of a gate that swings out. Okay, the rest of these are heat pumps. the energy to operate the Western unit in the heating mode is going to be more expensive than these three.